Assalam-o-alaikum. Welcome back. This is the part 2 of the video and we are learning English with friends. So we learned some fun phrases like all of a sudden and I just want $1,000,000. Now let's continue and learn more natural English. Let's start. Rachel says, didn't feel a thing. This means she felt nothing, no pain, no emotion. You can use it, for example, after an injection at the doctor. Wow, I didn't feel a thing. Ross says, it hit me. This means suddenly he understood something or had a strong realization. For example, it hit me that I forgot my homework at home. So Monica says, welcome to the real world. This means life is not easy. There are problems and responsibilities. For example, when you finish school and start a job, you can say, welcome to the real world. Joy says, grab a spoon. He means go out there, try again, don't give up. For example, if your friend fails once but wants to try again, you can say, come on, grab a spoon. Ross says, I wish I could. This means he wants to, but he cannot. For example, your friend invites you to a party, but you are busy. You can say, I wish I could, but I have work. So, great job today. In this part, we learned phrases like, don't feel a thing, it hit me, the real world, grab a spoon, I wish I could. Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, comment, and share. Allah Hafiz.